To work out at home. Start with a cardio activity that doesn't require equipment, like jumping jacks, running in place, or dancing to some great music. After cardio, use the floor for strength training exercises such as push-ups, squats, sit-ups, and planks. If it's difficult for you to find time to exercise, try doing an activity while you watch TV or make dinner. For example, you might challenge yourself to do 5 push-ups and 25 sit-ups during every episode. Alternatively, if you want to work out while cooking, challenge yourself to hold a wall squat while you wait for the water to boil, or do a lunge in between stirring your dinner. No matter what type of workout you do at home, stay consistent. Try to exercise for at least 30 minutes 3 days a week for best results.